تاسو به تر معلومه ده چې موږ د کیم د دې کال دویم فیز روان ده. لومړی موږ په دوبۍ کې چې هغه ټول په سکیل باندې موږ کار روانو، هغه نه بعد موږ ګریټر ته راغلو چې په 11 فروری باندې شروع شو موږ کیمپ تر اوسه پورې دوام لري. موږ کوشش هم دا چې موږ تر څو کولی شو چې کوم موږ ستونزې لرو په بیټینګ اسپیشلی او په ډیت بالینګ کې چې هغه باندې موږ کار وکړو، ځکه موږ سره وخت شته ځلې چې موږ یو بهترین ټیم برابر کړو تر څو یې شاکه په ورلډ کپ راځي چې موږ یو بهترین ټیم هغه لپاره بهترینه تیاري وکړو. نو ماشاءالله کیمپ ډېر زبردست شوی ده. اوس موږ ټول فوکس دی صرف آیرلنډ میچونو ته ده، ځکه چې سبا نه موږ لومړی میچ شروع کیږي، نو موږ ټول فوکس هماغه دپاره ده. نو انشاءالله کوشش به کوو چې موږ کوم پریکټس او کوم کیمپ کړی ده انشاءالله کوشش به کوو چې هغه نه فایده واخلو، ښه لوبه وکړو، پازیټیو لوبه وکړو، بریا د افغانستان په نوم وکړو.
Thanks for joining us. Just on our preparations, we've had 3 weeks preparation. We've been here since the 10th of Feb. So it's been really good. We've had strength and conditioning early on in the camp, and we've built that up into practice and hitting balls. So it's been really good. And I think boys are at a stage now where we're looking forward to getting into the games. It's been a really, really good build-up for us. That's important. And the long build-up is not just for this series, but it's for the couple of months ahead. We've got a big year for us as an Afghanistan team. So boys are prepared really hard, and we just need to take that preparation onto the field.
Askar, what your expectation with new players of the Afghanistan team like Twice Ahmad and Azimutullah?
واقعا کوم نوي لوبغاړي چې دي دوی لکه بالخصوص کایس او عظمت الله شو، کایس سپیشلی په کوم بګ بیش لیګ او بنگلاديش ټي20 کې ښه پرفارمنس وکړ، سپیشلی په ټي20 کرکټ کې شارټ فارمیټ کې. نو په هغه اساس باندې موږ غوښتل چې دا خپل ټي20 فارمیټ ته راوړو. کوشش به هم دا چې کوم د ځوانان لوبغاړي یا سره سینې لوبغاړي سره یوځای شي تر څو موږ چې مخکې شاکه په ورلډ کپ راځي هغه پوره مکمل ټرین شي او موږ کولی شو دلته بیا ټیم ورته برابر کړو. هغه ته
Bismillah, my name definitely. So he says Kais also played very well, especially in the limited cricket, and he played different leagues, especially BPL as well. So he performed very well, and we are looking forward to have a very good team for the World Cup, and this is the preparation starting.
Asgar, cricket fans say that Team India have in earlier time Team India have good spin attack. Your team is when doing practice in Indian home ground, then it seems like your team is also make themselves strong in a spin attack. What your opinion?
دا خو ظاهره خبره ده چې د افغانستان سپین اټیک بهترین سپینران دي په نړۍ کې، مختلف شارټ فارمیټ په نړۍ کې ټول کې کوم څومره مکمل لیګونه چې دي. نو بالخود کله چې په آسیا کې میچونی نو دا یو واقعیت او حقیقت ده چې افغانستان به پوزیشن سپیشل بیټسمن د ډېر ټف ټایم ورکړي، هغه ډېر مشکلي چې د افغانستان سپینران لوبي او بالخصوص زمونږ لوبغاړي هم نن سبا په سپینران باندې خپل هم ډېر خوشوي، ځکه چې موږ بهترین سپینران لرو چې هغوی موږ دا بهترین سپینران لوبي نو د نړۍ کې نور څومره سپینران دا موږ ته دومره مشکل بیانوي.
You say definitely so. Our spinners are very good in the world. You see, all the big leagues are there playing, especially our spinner, the 3 spinners. And if we are playing in the Asian condition, so the spinner will be our aim is that to have, keep strong the spinner's side. And our players also played against the spinners, and they will play the other spinner very easily. So definitely so. Our strong point is the spinners.
Always excited to play against Afghanistan, always excited to play cricket in India. We've had some mixed preparation. The facilities here have been quite tricky. There's been a bit of rain around and stuff, so but yeah, we're just looking forward to get going in a competitive T20 series.
Experience in this ground?
We came here in 2017 and played 3 T20s, 5 ODIs and a 4-day first class match. So we've played quite a lot of cricket here compared to other grounds around the world, so we sort of know the dimensions and know what the wicket will be like. So look, we know how good a team they are, so I think if we can combat their strengths, we should have a good series.
Ireland have lost more than 75% matches through Afghanistan. So what is your expectation in this series?
Yeah, look, the results are the results. We haven't been good enough against these guys, and when you don't have a good day against Afghanistan, they'll punish you. So we've got to be better. We've got to, like I said, combat their strengths better than we have done in the past. But with the World T20 at the end of the year, there's a lot of guys looking to put in performances, and get a place on that plane to the World Cup. So I'm confident that they can do that. We had a decent series in the West Indies where we drew 1-1, so if we can take the confidence from that series into this series, I think we'll do okay.